Linda.
I'm quite a bit back. Then, yeah, a bit back. Linda,
Because, what is my boyfriend? I'm Linda. Marco Beach. Jesus.
Oh, my head. So we are Basa.
Hey,
Where they?
that's the donkey.
Shit.
Mommy, for a full friend, mommy. My friend,
Why?
my not Linda, friend, mommy. Hi, mommy.
That's not what church you want to probably fell in that house.
That's fine, me too, for.
Hey, Mammy, you dance to Mammy Cassandra. Jimmy, why Jimmy not told you? Hey, the last time. We catch you. Some of them show you a mate now for a teacher, Baby, I have you all palm with your friend. Why is this a rich windows and never get the back catch shows and you won't hear. Who's if you have come better as I'm a town, and I know Beach. Oh, Beach, down with you.
I was only so catching so post school.
What you're free man. Hey, and you watch it.
My friend in more than 15 minutes. Like on family store, whatever. Never tell me so. Or better pick your man, baby.
Okay.
Never tell me who said, you won't cry, you won't cry. To be crying. Mimi and I want to have got from the head. Oh, no, it's also your body. I just have here walking now. We are where hello, Metro.
Hey, mommy, your call. You the same time.
I see.
Your call, mom. Your call.
Oh, okay. I feel I'm saying, Mimi, somebody who know Mona, I'm so dear. Trust me. Before God and man, me that was see mom die. Linda, the position they get moving in there. They were. You know what? Hello? Mommy. Hey, I'm watching it. Hey, I'm watching it. And I'm watching it.
Now, show me shut up, bro. What's your what the Gary? Oh, we get a little meeting with me. Catch them, a meeting. We didn't wash it. I can't have it. We didn't wash it. And Johnson. Oh, fuck. Some person be raped. And I never say I can't find the trouble. I'm going to share it in social media. What about you? Almost that. Oh, finish your money. Hey, let me make our fine. Sweet face. Hey, sis, Miriam, right now, never.
I was there, I'm there. What's he saying?
I think what they say,
I knew you were going to betray me.
Don't you like that your friend? What is happening to you? What's wrong with you? I love you.
What's going on? Sure, I didn't know.
I didn't want to go. And just what do you ever say? It was something in the but what do you ever say? You tell yourself, baby, I love you. Go offended what?
Linda.
What happened to you? Hey, what happened to her?
Trust me.
What happened to her?
I was see you. And the next show said,
talk to me. What
I should talk to you.
What happened to her?
What did I was see? I was see. when you accidents. When you accidents, I was in any accidents. Oh God. That's all you can say. Oh God.
Let me explanation. Now tell me so.